Hi students, this is your today's class exercise 9.3 continuity from 10th sum. See the 10th first question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of the AP. So what we need to find here? We need to find first 51 term whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So what is given? The given second and third term. We need to find 51st term. So listen here. So first 51 terms we need to find. What is given? Second term is 14. Upper T2 equal to 14. Third term is 18. So T3 equal to 18. Why we are taking T? Because it's a term. This is not a sum. Okay. So how we find D? D equal to A2 minus A1. Here we have a term. What is the term? T3 minus T2. 18 minus 14. D is equal to 4. Can we have A here? No. How we find A? So listen. This is the first term. The first term. How we get the first term? Initial value. Next A plus D. So A plus D together the second term. So how we find the first term? From second term we need to subtract D. We will be getting A. So 14 minus 4 equal to 10. So A is equal to 10. So next we need to find first 51 term. So what is n? N is equal to 51. Now we are going to apply the formula. What is Sn formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have n value, a value and d value. We are going to substitute all those values here. We need to find S51. So S51 equal to 51 by 2 into a value 10 plus n value 51 minus 1 for d value 4. Now we are going to simplify inside of the bracket value first. So 10 into 2 20, 51 minus 1 50, 50 into 4 200. So 220 one time 110 times. So multiply these two, you will be getting 5610. So S51 term is 5610. I hope you understand this. Next to come to the 11th sum, children. If the sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 36. So what is given? Sum of first 6 term 36. That the first 16 term is 256. Will you understand the question? This is sum of the term. This is first 16 terms. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. So what we are going to find here? We need to find sum of the term. So listen. So sum. In this question, they mention the word sum. Sum now for the entire problem we are using only S term. So sum of 6 term is equal to 36. Sum of 16 term is equal to 256. This is given. What we need to find? We need to find S10. So listen me how we find that. What is Sn formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Na? N equal to 6. Because here we have S6. We need to find S6 value. So S6 equal to 6 by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So cancel 3. We don't know a value, d value. So 2a plus 5d. Then 36 by 3 equal to 12. But 12 equal to 2a plus 5d. That is equation number 1. Next S16. S16 16 by 2 into 2a plus 16 minus 1 into d. So 16 by 2 8. So S16 value, X16 value already we have 256. So 256 equal to 8 into 2a plus 16 minus 1 of 15d. Then 256 divided by 8 equal to 2a plus 15d. Cancel it, you will be getting 32. So 32 equal to 2a plus 15d. Then this is equation number 2. Listen children. Here we have equation number 1. Here we have equation number 2. For applying a nth term, we need A and D. So using these two, how we find A and D? By using elimination method. See, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Change the sign. Minus minus and minus. Plus 2A minus 2A cancel. So 5 minus 15 minus 10D equal to 12 minus 32 minus 20. So minus minus cancel. D equal to 20 by 10. D is equal to 2. Next, substitute D in equation number 1. We have two equations. You can apply any one equation. So D is 1. So 2a plus 5 into 2 equal to 12. Upper 2a equal to 12 minus 10. So 12 minus 10 na 2. So 2a equal to 2. A equal to 2 cancel. A is equal to 1. Now we have a value and d value. Now we are going to apply in nth term. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? N value they asked to find S10 na. S10 na n equal to 10. So S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a value is 1 plus n value is 10 minus 1, d value is 2. So 2 into 1 2, 10 minus 1 9 into 2. But 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 into 5 100. So S 10th term is 100. I hope you understand this, children. Next, come to 13th question. Listen, 13th first question. If an equal to 3 minus 4n, that means nth value is given. Show that a1, a2, a3 from an AP. Also find S20. So they given the nth term. Using nth term, we need to show the series is an AP. After finding its AP, we need to find S20. So listen how we find this. What is nth term? An equal to 3 minus 4n. Okay, this is n value. We need to show a1, a2, a3 are in AP. So instead of n, first apply 1. So a1 na 3 minus 4 into 1 na minus 1. So 3 minus 4 na minus 1. Next a2 na instead of n apply 2. Upper 3 minus 4 into 2 minus 5. a3 na instead of n apply 3. 3 minus 12 minus 9. Okay. Now it's a series. What is a value? Initial value is a equal to 1. What is d? Minus 5 minus of minus 1 na 4. Minus 5 plus 1 na minus 4. That is d. Now we have a value is 1. D value is 4 minus 4. We need to find S20. So n is equal to 20. So n is equal to 20. Now we are going to apply this formula. You will be getting it. So S20 equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into what is a equal to minus 1 plus n value 20 20 minus 1 into d value is minus 4. So 20 by 2 na 10 na 10 into minus 2. So multiple this you will be getting minus 76. So minus 76 minus 78 minus 78 into 10 minus 780. So 20th term S20th term is equal to minus 780. I hope you understand up to this. The sum is in the all categories is same. Come to the 15th sum. Listen. In an AP, the sum of first term is 6n minus. Sorry, it's a 14th question. Sorry, it's a 14th question. Listen. The sum of first 6 terms of an AP series is 42. So sum of first 6 term. Next, the ratio of the 10th term and 30th term is 1:3. 10th term and 30th term 1:3. Now calculate the first and 13th term. So listen the question. T10 they given 10th term and 30th term is 1:3. So T10 is to T30 equal to 1:3. Then first 6 term S6 equal to 42. So what we need to find? We need to find first term value and the 13th term value. That is the question. So listen, T10, T20, 30 now, T10 by T30 because it's a ratio. So Tn formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Upper a plus 10 minus 1 na 90. Upper a plus 90 divided by a plus 30 minus 1 29. So a plus 21 9d equal to 1 by 3. Do cross multiplication. Upper 3 into a 3a plus 3 into 9 27d equal to a plus 29d. So simplify this, you will be getting a is equal to d. So a value and d value is equal. Now we are going to apply the nth term. We need to find S6 value. Using S6 we need to find a and d. So what is S6? S6 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So already we have a S6 value. What is given in S6? S6 equal to 42. So 42 equal to n value is 6. 6 by 2 into a value d value 42 equal to 1 time 3 time அப்ப 3 into 2a plus 5d 42 by 3 equal to 42 70. Here 42 divided by 3, do the simplification, you will be getting 14 so 14 by 2, 14 by 7, 2. So a equal to d equal to 2. Both the value are same. So a value is also 2, d value is also 2. Now they asked, now we find the first value is 2. They asked to find 13th value. How we find the 13th value? Upper t13 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a value? 2 plus n 13 minus 1 into 2. So do the simplification, you will be getting 26. So t first term is 2, t 13th term is 26. I hope you understand this. Next is the 16th question. Listen, if Sn, it's an important model ma. If Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of AP, prove that S30 equal to 3 into S20 minus S10. So listen children, what we are going to prove, it's a very important models. It's maybe the number will change, okay. So S30 equal to 3 into S20 minus S10. We need to prove this. It's a sum formula. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the condition? S30 equal to 3 into S20 minus S10. Simple. Both set left hand side and right hand side we are going to apply this formula. So listen, S30 n equal to 30. So 30 by 2 into 2a plus 30 minus 1, 29d. Okay. See, now I am going to explain left hand side. Next 1 time 15 time. Upper 15 into 2a plus 29d. So 15 into 2, 30a plus 15 into 29, 439d. This is left hand side. Now I am going to solve the right hand side. நான் இங்க டைரக்ட்டா போட்டுருக்கேன். நீங்க நம்ம எப்பவும் போற மாதிரி first left hand side ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டு equation 1 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Next right hand side solve பண்ணி equation 2 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Then you are going to show the both are equal, then automatically hence proved. Here I did directly. But 3 into what is S20 n equal to 20 so 20 by 2 into 2a plus 19d minus n equal to 10 so 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d. Then 3 apply vechkonga, we are going to multiply at last of the last term. So 10 1 time in 10 time 10 into 2a plus 90d minus inga 5 into 2a plus 9d. Upper 20a plus 190d minus 10d minus 49d. So multiple along with 3, you will be getting 30a plus 435d. This is right hand side value. So listen children, left hand side answer is equal to right hand side. Here they asked to prove S30 equal to 3 into S20 minus S10. So it's proved. Up to this proof is over. So listen children. So after this exercise 9.3 gets over, I will send you this class copy and homework from the next video. Okay, from next video I am going to start exercise 9.4, exercise 9.4 and 5 in GP. So AP content up to this over. I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, ask me children. Thank you.